Apologies for the wind if it's windy outside. I've just done some primer work. I bought this originally. God knows why I did. It's absolute crap. And it's yellow. It's just awful. But the body shop I get my stuff from, I went and got my stuff, as you know, in the box, and I ran out of just some canned filler primer. And as I was going past Alfred's, I thought I'd get some, but it's just horrible. It doesn't even fill. But I did get some. Of that. That does the job. But anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm a few days in, and right, so we've got the new bag over. So I've had to do the bonnet a bit again because we got see a mark in the dark, and then we're on the back. So I've done that bit there. It could be better, but you know, it's quite low down, so you're not going to see it. But there was a slight, there's like a little blemish there, but yeah, never mind. I'm not going to go wild. I'm just filling these bits in at the moment. There's some little marks, and then there's a bit there which I'm just waiting for the filler primer to dry off. But yeah, here you go. That's about it at the minute. Can't really do a lot while it's drying. Bag comes in handy there. Bit of a faff putting on in the wind. But yeah, I've keyed all this off, but I need to do it again because I must have primed this about 4 times already. Keeps, apart from the stone chips, I don't really worry about the stone chips. But not being a body expert, every time I do it and think it's ready, I looked at it last night in the dark and there was a slight shadow from the moon on it, ironically, and I could see like a little ridge that you can't see in the light. So I'm hoping it's all right. But it looks all right. I mean, when I look at it, it looks all right. There's a few pinholes there, but most of that will fill up with the paint. But there's a lot of stone chips, so we're not going to fill the stone chips in. We're just going to go over them anyway, like most body shops do. If they're repairs, they don't do the stone chips. But yeah, we'll leave it at that and we'll come back in a bit. Look at those stone chips, but you know, I'd be filling thousands of stone chips if I was doing the old car. I want to put the bumper. Oh, I've started a bit on the bumper. Let me show you. Not a lot. I'm just sort of making away. There's a bit there. I've just started doing bits. I know it looks really rough, but it's obviously I've just needed to do a bit and then leave it. Did I do that bit? Can't remember. No, probably not. But yeah, you have to start off rough, don't you, to get it to look good. Well, I'll come back in a bit because I've got to wait for that primer to dry. See you in a bit. Right, I thought I'd better give you an update on the bumper that I'm working on. I've not really done much on the bumper. The weather's too warm. It's like 27, 28 in most days at the moment, and it's been 30 yesterday, so it's just like whoa, too much. But I've done the bumper and I primed it, but I'm not happy with the way it looks. Lifting it up to the Lifting it up to the light, you can see that there's a mark on it still, so I'm going to have a quick butcher's on it now. Well, I'll show you anyway. Okay, so there was a bit here which is covered fine. There's that bit there, but ignore that. It's going to be covered by all the plastic. There was a bit here, that was all alright. There's a couple of bits down there. There was a bit of a bend in the plastic here, so I've had to put some filler over it just to level it out. But that came out alright. Try not to crack the bumper in the process. In fact, let me lift it up. It's a bit flimsy when there's nothing attached to it. You can probably see that there's a little bit of a bend still here, but it's not too bad. Let's see if we can. Got some focus issues. I don't know why this is not auto-focusing, but there you go. Silly woman. What else have we got? There's a bit here, you can just about... This is in high build primer, by the way, so it's obviously going to need sanding. But, can't see it now. You can see there that there's a bit of a... It just looks a bit naff. Can't really tell in the shade, but there's a bit here, a bit there, and it doesn't look that brill. Thought the high build would have covered most of that, but it hasn't. So I think I need to bring this in the sun so we can actually see it. Oh, there you go, you can see it better now. It's like there. And that's going to show up really bad when it's painted. It's quite high there, and then there's that bit there, which was just a scratch. We have got a bit here, but I've just filled that with primer just to fill it out. So I think it's a bit low here, and that's a bit high, but we'll have a go on that. The weather's going to be changing soon, so I need to get on with painting. Let me just wipe that. Now I bought some paint, and I always buy paint from the same shop, so I've done a bit of I started painting this side, and I know you're not supposed to paint edge to edge, and obviously I need to blend this, but I was hoping I wouldn't have to blend it to start with, but we'll see. Well, you'll see. So I've got to do that bit still. We made that piece, and we come round, can't see because of my shadow. I've painted that bit. Problem is it looks more orange than red. I started painting it, and I only put one coat of lacquer on it because I knew I had to stop and do it again, because obviously it's a bit rough because I haven't polished it back, but you can see there's a bit of a bad difference. It's just gonna up close. No, I don't know. I don't know why this is not auto-focusing. But yeah, there's a bit of a... It's a bit orangey. So I'll have to do a blend. I was hoping I didn't have to, but there you go. Hopefully you can see that because it's a bit sunny. But yeah, I need to do that. Right, I'm going to finish doing the bumper. You don't need to see me paint the put some filler on the bumper. So we managed to make the piece. Oh, let's focus. There we go. So I managed to get there's a bit of the primer I just put on. We got the I think I got it back anyway. Oh, it's a bit flat there. But yeah, that's the best I'm going to do at the moment. Let me just got these bits to sand back down a little bit. But yeah, that's where we are. Oh, I might just show you a bit of the bumper. I had to do a bit of the bumper again because I primed it and it was looking crap. So I just had to do that bit there. I had to raise it out a bit. But yeah, there you go. We'll leave it on that one and I'll join you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content. And thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.